Squarespace recently released a new feature that allows you to upload custom fonts to your Squarespace website, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do it. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ana Lea. I am a web designer and all-around tech nerd, and I create Squarespace templates, courses, and resources to help you look great online. And here on this channel, I share Squarespace business and tech tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So if that's something that interests you, hit the subscribe button. And now, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the custom font that you want to upload to your website. Now, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a free font from Collettivo, which is a type foundry that releases free fonts that are free for commercial use. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download your font files and save them somewhere on your computer. So once you have your font file, you're going to log into your Squarespace website, and then you're going to click the Site Styles icon. Then you're going to go here where it says Fonts, and you're going to click on either headings or paragraphs or whichever option you want for the custom font. In this case, I'm going to use this font for the headings, so I'm going to click on that. And then in the font selection dialog, you can click this little upward pointing arrow, and here you will be able to upload the fonts that you want to use on your Squarespace website. So for this tutorial, I'm going to upload the fonts that I want, and I just want to use the regular font, but you feel free to upload whichever font, however many weights you want to use for your fonts. So if you wanted to use the condensed version or a variable version, you would upload those as well. I'm going to upload the regular and the wide. And now we're going to wait until the fonts upload. So now that our fonts are uploaded, we can actually use them on our website. So I'm going to go back, and once you've done that, you'll notice this new section in the font selection where it gives you the option to use the uploaded font. So I'm going to click on that one. And now I can manage all the other options for that font within the style settings that Squarespace gives you. So I can change the style to normal or to italic. If I uploaded the italic version of the font, I can change the line height to be bigger or smaller, which I don't recommend you do. I can change the letter spacing for the font. I can make it be uppercase or lowercase, or I can make it so that it's capitalized for these headings, and then I can change the heading sizes as well. Now, if we go to paragraphs, you'll see that I can also choose one of these uploaded fonts if I so desire. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to back to using the font that I want. However, if I wanted to use a different font for my paragraphs, I can also repeat the process and upload another font by clicking the plus symbol and then uploading another font for my paragraphs. And the same, of course, applies to buttons. All you have to do is click this font selection dialog and then click the up arrow to upload another font. Having said that, two caveats that I want to mention. Please make sure that you're using the appropriate license for the font you want to upload. In other words, if you want to upload a font to your website, make sure that you're using a web font license that allows you to use it on your website. And of course, make sure that font is licensed for commercial use. And don't go crazy with uploading custom fonts to your Squarespace website, because the more fonts you have, the longer your website takes to load. So limit your website font selections to no more than 2, 3 maximum if you have to. Anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if you want to learn more about how to launch a strategic Squarespace website, then sign up for my free Squarespace roadmap that's linked in the description below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.